Hello, open house enthusiast. Today we are sharing tips on maximizing your visits to open houses. These events are an excellent opportunity to explore properties and gather valuable insights. They're great to start attending whenever you want. You don't need to be ready to make a purchase, but you might just be in that exploration stage. So let me know if you're going to attend an open house because I like to let the listing agent know so that I can follow up with them after. Every homeowner that you go into their home, they always expect feedback within 24 hours. And it's okay if it's not the one, it's not the one. Your criteria matters most to you. So if you're out and about on a Saturday or Sunday, shoot me a text, let me know the property. It also helps me stay abreast as to what's happening with your search and what ones you don't like, which is almost as helpful as knowing which ones you do like. Um, Come prepared with questions if you want and you're getting more serious in your home search. So we can go over disclosures ahead of time before you attend an open house so you know what to look for. For instance, if there's water in the basement, then we want to be mindful for what you're looking for. Do you see mold? Do you see mildew? Is there some sort of smell down there? Are they storing things on pallets or is everything on the ground? Is the furnace newer? Is it natural gas or oil? These are all things to be vigilant of. And then also, when was the roof replaced? Can you see it? Is it covered in snow? Or have they disclosed that it was recently redone? And then are all of the shingles looking like they're in good working condition? So there are so many things that several inspections, hundreds actually of inspections, have helped me learn about homes and kind of some red flags or green flags that you want to be looking for. And I'm happy to share all of that insight and knowledge ahead of time so that you make the most of attending an open house.